Hi everyone! The other day my niece came over and asked me how to keep your kettle looking so new and shiny without the lime scale. So this is how. And it's just a very quick, easy, fully natural way to do this. It doesn't leave any residue or taste in your kettle and is perfectly safe. And what I use is lemon juice, simple lemon juice. It's about £1 for a bottle of lemon juice from a supermarket. Literally, and my kettle's still a little bit hot there, as you can tell. I just pour it in. You want to obviously pour at least half a bottle of lemon juice. And then literally just swish it about. So I'll leave that like that. If your lime scale is really, really thick, you may want to just turn it on a little bit, and you'll see in a minute just as it starts to bubble. Just like that. And then I just turn it off. Now, if your lime scale is like really, really thick, you might want to do that a couple of times. Leave it 5-10 minutes to soak into the lime scale, and then come back, do it again until your lime scale's gone. But it generally, if you keep up with it every couple of weeks or once a month, it actually clears the lime scale very quickly, and you're left with a really nice, shiny, brand new looking kettle. Also, with some of the lime scale around your kettle, I get a bit round here, I get some round here. You can often get it around the spout and along the edges here. Now these, actually really hard to get off. Just put a little bit of lemon. Depending on what material and that your kettle is, you might not want to use the scoury side. You might just use the soft side because you don't want to damage your kettle. So always do a little tester first. But I've hardly got any lemon juice left. You can then just go around like this, putting the lemon juice on the areas of thick lime scale. And that'll also clear it. You can also go inside the lid areas. It'll clear the lime scale, kind of like just melts it. And that just keeps your kettle looking fantastic and new. But you do need to keep up with it like once a month. So actually I think it might have, look, actually it's already, I think, cleared that lime scale, to be honest. It's done it all. Now that is real time, I haven't slowed this down. But obviously if the lime scale is thicker, it will take you longer. So I'm just going to tip that out now, still in real time. I'm just going to tip that lemon juice out into the sink. And as you can tell, now it's got a shiny bottom. It's looking lovely. There you go. And I'll rinse that out a couple of times with normal water. Just literally bit of water. Rinsed it around, and then I'll tip that in the sink. And again, because it is lemon juice, look at that now. Because it's lemon juice, of course it's not toxic, it's not any chemicals in it that are damaging to your health. And you've got, I'll obviously like properly rinse round the outside and here properly. And then when it's all done, I've got a kettle that looks brand new. It's that easy. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more healthy DIYs and craft videos. Thanks for watching.